Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting behind the wheel of a legend, the all-new 2024 Porsche 911 GTS. This iconic sports car needs no introduction, but for its latest iteration, Porsche has thrown in a few surprises. So buckle up, gearheads and car enthusiasts alike, because we're about to dissect the 2024 911 GTS and see what makes it tick. Let's start under the hood. This is where things get interesting. Unlike previous GTS models, the 2024 boasts a first-ever electrified powertrain, the innovative T-hybrid system. This translates to mind-blowing performance with a twist. We're talking a twin-turbocharged flat-six engine paired with an electric motor, pushing out a staggering 670 horsepower. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 60 mph in a blistering 3.2 seconds. But here's the kicker: you also get the benefit of instant electric torque and impressive fuel efficiency. Porsche is truly playing both sides of the court here, pure power and environmental consciousness. Now, performance isn't just about raw numbers. The 911 GTS has always been known for its razor-sharp handling, and the 2024 model doesn't disappoint. Porsche has further refined the suspension and steering, giving you an incredibly communicative and confidence-inspiring driving experience. Whether you're carving up canyon roads or hitting the track, this car feels like an extension of yourself. Design unique selling points. Of course, it wouldn't be a Porsche without a head-turning design. The 2024 GTS retains the classic 911 silhouette we all know and love, but with some subtle yet aggressive enhancements. Think wider air intakes, a sportier rear wing, and those iconic quad exhaust pipes. It's a design that exudes both timeless elegance and pure, unadulterated power. But what truly sets the GTS apart? It's the perfect blend of performance and everyday usability. The interior is a luxurious space with all the bells and whistles you expect from Porsche, yet it still feels like a driver-focused cockpit. Plus, with clever packaging, you actually get usable space in the front trunk, making weekend getaways a breeze. So, is the 2024 Porsche 911 GTS the ultimate sports car? It's certainly a strong contender. It delivers exhilarating performance, exceptional handling, a stunning design, and a surprising dose of practicality. Whether you're a seasoned track driver or a weekend enthusiast looking for the ultimate driving experience, the 911 GTS has something to offer. If you're curious about experiencing this legend for yourself, head down to your local Porsche dealer and see if you can snag a test drive. In the meantime, let us know in the comments below what you think of the 2024 911 GTS. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews